Hi YouTube, we're gonna do Amy Macdonald. She's a Scottish singer. She comes from the UK. She's big in the UK and she's big in Europe. And she's conquering America. And this is her first single, I think, in America. But I could be wrong about that. She may have had others. But she's tuned down to E flat, but I'm in standard tuning, so play all the chord shapes the same anyway, either way. The song begins with a small, quick riff. It's just on the B. Then it goes to D. And that's the verse. The verse is simply D to E. La 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 la. D to E. And then before going to the chorus, there's a little pre-chorus. And it goes B minor, D. I think it repeats twice. B minor, D. Then it goes the E on the final repetition, and then that sets it up to go into the chorus. About the B minor, if you don't play bar chords, you could just take your A minor and play it at the 3rd and 4th frets. You could also play this shape at the 2nd fret. On your high E, you put your index finger. On your 3rd fret, at the B string, you put your middle. And then at the 4th fret on the G string, you put your ring. And you just play the top 3. And that's a B minor too. It's a movable shape. Alright, and then it goes from the E of the pre-chorus. The final time around it goes to E. And then the chorus is, where did our love go wrong? A to E, what do we do with it? And it goes on D, living like a king and queen, living in the 70s, where did our love go wrong? Back to E. So it's A to E, and then D to E. Now, later on in the song, at about 2 minutes, 25 seconds, there's a bridge, because it's just repeating the chorus, and the bridge breaks it up. The bridge starts on E, which you're at anyways from the chorus. And it kind of goes like this. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. So what that is E hangs on the E, and it goes to F sharp minor. Don't panic if you don't play bar chords. I'll show you a different way to play it. And then out of the F sharp minor, it goes to E, and then back. And then I can't remember if it repeats once or twice, but then out of that, it goes to the chorus. Where did our love go wrong? Oh yeah, the easier way to play a F sharp minor is just to bar strings 4 through 1 at the 2nd fret. And it's just a passing chord, so. It's like an A, except you're also pushing down on the 1st string at the 2nd fret. All right. Yeah, and that pretty much covers it. There's no guitar solo, and this would be a good song to play on an acoustic guitar. And It's got a nice mainstream kind of rock feel. I could see Bruce Springsteen doing this song on an acoustic with with a fiddle in the band. So I wish Amy Macdonald luck. I like the song, and thanks for watching.